Hi friends, to express this fraction as partial fraction, we first factorize the denominator. So when we factor out x, we have x squared minus 1, and we can factorize this x squared minus 1, x minus 1 bracket s plus 1. So the whole factor becomes s bracket s minus 1, s plus 1. Now our fraction is this, and we are using cover-up method. So we have that this fraction is equal to p over x plus q over x minus 1 plus r over s plus 1. Right. To find the value of p, we equate s to 0 and then cover up x in our fraction. Therefore, our p is equal to 6x squared plus 7s minus 3 over x minus 1 bracket x plus 1. X is equal to 0. So we substitute x with 0 in the fraction, and we have 6 times 0 plus 7 times 0 minus 3 over 0 minus 1 times 0 plus 1. This is 0, 0. We have minus 3 at the numerator. Minus 1 times plus 1, we have minus 1. Therefore, the fraction becomes minus 3 over minus 1. Minus 3 over minus 1 is equal to 3. To find the value of q, our x is equal to 1, so that we can zero this factor here. Then we cover up x minus 1 in the fraction. So q is equal to 6x squared plus 7s minus 3 over x bracket s plus 1. X is equal to 1. We substitute 1 in the equation, and we have that 6 bracket 1 squared plus 7 times 1 minus 3 over 1 bracket 1 plus 1. This becomes 6 plus 7 minus 3, that is 10 over 1 times 2, that is 10 over 2, and 10 over 2 is equal to 5. So q is equal to 5. To find the value of r, x is equal to minus 1. So we can zero this factor here, and then we cover up plus 1 in the fraction. Therefore, our r is equal to 6x squared plus 7x minus 3 over x bracket s minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, substitute. So we have 6 bracket minus 1 squared 7 bracket minus 1 minus 3 over minus 1 bracket minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 square is still 1, so we have 6 minus 7, which is minus 1, minus 3. We have minus 4 at the numerator. Minus 1 times minus 2, we have 2. Minus 4 over 2, which gives us minus 2. R is equal to minus 2. P is equal to 3. Q is equal to 5. R is equal to minus 2. The partial fraction for this big fraction is equal to 3 over x plus 5 over x minus 1 minus 2 over x plus 1.